YouTube, happy 2020. This is during the coronavirus pandemic. I was trying to find some things productive to do with the DR and purchased the Ricochet skid plate through ProCycle, and they offer it in 3 different styles, just plain aluminum, anodized, or you can get it in the Rhino lined, and they want $50 more for the Rhino line, so I figured I'd pick up a can and Rhino line it myself and put a couple coats of clear on it. Anyway, doing an install video, and really there's only 2 pipe strap clamps that go on the front that hold this on, and there's already 2 nut certs that are welded into the frame in the back, so it's just 4 fasteners. And I just figured I'd give an update on some ideas, and a before and after, and just a review in general. This aluminum skid plate has side fins up in the front that really protect the case, the oil filter housing, and the stator cover on the left side of the bike as you're sitting on the seat. Anyway, for $100 and for about $15 worth of Rhino liner and clear coat, it should provide quite a bit of protection that's adequate for the case underneath for rock damage, things on the road, light dirt use, etc. Alright, here's the follow-up on the installed skid plate. This is the Ricochet skid plate again through ProCycle. They sell it through a lot of places. You can buy it on eBay too, but ProCycle seems to be the best deal out there, and those guys are just great anyway. They communicate well, they ship stuff quickly, and I don't have any problems with them. They're great for all your dual sport needs and for other needs. This Ricochet skid plate on the front, there are these frame strap holders. Since there are no frame mounted welded nuts, you can see that strap in there, and it is a galvanized strap, has a welded nut to the strap, and the bolt itself that comes through, there's a locking mechanism that's built into the nut that holds this T40 Torx here that mounts in the front. There's also a T40 Torx, oh don't get old people, in the back here at the back of the plate. See these 2 T40, they come with a locking washer and a flat washer, and if you look very carefully where they come through the frame back here and the nut that is, I don't know if you can see that, we'll go around to the other side there, but you can see there's a welded nut from the factory in the back, and atop that nut, when everything is fastened together, these bolts have the perfect embedment depth. They go exactly flush with the nut, so you shouldn't have an issue in terms of getting soils and debris and things caught in there and ruining those threads. Anyway, I am overall very impressed with the Ricochet skid plate. Haven't used it yet, but it's 4 millimeters thick and should provide quite a bit of protection. By comparison to some of the other ones out there, there's some plastic ones. You know, plastic is very ductile, but it's not resilient. You do damage to plastic and it's not recoverable. So in terms of the long run and owning this thing for a long period of time and doing some dual sport activities, this should be the most recoverable for the same money and provide the best longevity out there. It's just a good property material for doing this. So anyway, that's my engineering 2 cents into it, and that's the skid plate, and I'm really happy with it. It looks good. The offsets and the precision of where all the fit and finish corners and edges would be was pretty much right on the money. So thanks ProCycle, and looking forward to going out and riding. Everybody have a good day.